Welcome to Batman Traders. In this video, we will see about the daily forecast. First, we will see about the yesterday forecast. First, we will take about Euro USD. I told Euro USD yesterday next move is next support zone and it will goes to resistance zone. So what will move on? We will see in chart. So the Euro USD is yesterday told this place. So the next move is it's going to support. You've seen this previous chart is going to support, and the next move is going to resistance, but it is the resistance level. So sometime it will touch the resistance level and it will goes up next level support. It's the major chance to goes to next level support. So it's was to this place. We will move on next currency. GBP/USD. Yesterday I told GBP/USD is traded on support line. So the next move is some retracement and it will goes down to the next level support. So what will do? Yesterday I told this place. So today was traded in choppy market. So the next move is it will be retracement and again it will down. Sometime it will break the box. It's directly it will go down. The charts are updated in Telegram channel. So you will follow the Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is below the description. So we will go on next currency. AUD/USD. Yesterday I told AUD/USD is little bit correction and it will go fall down in next level support. So what we'll do in chart? So same thing is happened in the chart. So same thing it will be happen in Euro USD chart. So in this place little bit of correction and it will go this level or directly fall in this area. Next move is fall down in this support. The support level is 0.62624. This area it will fall down. The next level target point AUD/USD. And we move on next level currency. Euro JPY. And Euro JPY next level move is some little bit retracement and it will go fall down. Otherwise it will directly go up to the next level resistance. So what will again chart? So yesterday traded in support level, again it will go up the some retracement. So the area is retracement area. So it will be some small up and it will go down in next level resistance. The resistance point is 114.548. This area will be target area. Don't go buy trade and waiting for the sell confirmation. Sell confirmation area is 115.210. This area will be sell confirmation area. So we will go on next currency. CAD/CHF. CAD/CHF. The next movement is yesterday I told some small retracement and it will go down. Otherwise it will goes to the resistance area and it will go down. So what will in chart? It will be retracement and the market will be going to sideways or choppy market. And what will next movement? The next movement it will be small down and it will go to the resistance area. Otherwise, in case this is not retracement, it will go next level support area. This is the catch of next movement. If you like the video, please click the like button, and the information are really useful. Please subscribe the channel and you will get regular videos and you will very useful for your future trades. If any other currency you will be want to forecast, you will be comment below. Any other doubts, please comment below and join the Telegram link. You will be get the chart notifications. Thank you.